How to achieve a flat stomach in a month at home. If there is something most people would love to retouch, it is tummy fat. However, this exercise usually takes a lot of time and effort, most of which people do not have. Consequently, some exercises can be done and achieved without a fixed time frame to get the abs you never thought possible. The good news, which everyone who wants to lose weight and gain a flat stomach should be pleased with, is the fact that you can achieve a flat stomach even in a month while sitting at home. Nothing special is needed. You do not have to go to the gym for hours. You have to dedicate a certain amount of time each day to the exercise. Using only a mat and a small amount of self-control, one can do a few exercises every day. The following exercises have been chosen as the most effective for losing fat around the stomach area without the use of particular equipment. The month's routines are designed for regularity and consistency. You'll do 60 of the following exercises each day, 6 days a week. It's important to allow yourself a one-day break a week to ensure that your body is capable of resting. Then you'll start another week and repeat the same set of exercises. This regularity will help you stay committed and determined to your goal. Exercise 1. Bicycle crunches. Lying flat on your back on the mat, bend your knees and join your palms to the back of your ears with your feet flat on the ground. Bring your right leg up so that your knee is by your shoulder. Then, at the same time, raise your upper body along with your shoulders and twist your body to touch your right knee with your left elbow. Tuck your chin to your chest and bend both knees at the waist, lowering yourself back down to the starting position. Do the same movement with the left knee and the right elbow, following the pace set by the right knee. The exercise is done in such a way that the person switches between the two sides of the body. Perform 15 sets of the exercise. Gradually increase the repetitions by 5 in a week. In the second week, you're supposed to do 20, then 25 in the third week, and 30 in the fourth week. Exercise 2. Planks. Next, get into the plank position by lying on your stomach and raising your body with your forearms and the balls of your feet. Do not bend. Bring your buttocks closer to the floor and maintain a straight body, just like in the plank positions. It is recommended to hold the position for half a minute. In the second week, extend the duration by 10 seconds more to 40 seconds. In the third week, 50 seconds. And in another week, 60 seconds. Exercise 3. Leg raises. A written description of the exercise is the only available option. Place your body on the yoga mat on the back with the limbs stretched out parallel to the surface of the mat. To execute the squat, keep your legs closed and using your heels, raise your legs up off the surface as far as you can without letting your back dip. This means that you have to target your hip joint so that your thighs are parallel to the floor. Unrise your legs gradually to this position and do not let your feet touch the ground. Keep it like that for a second and then lower your legs. This time, you should perform lifts and lowers with your legs for at most 10 cycles. Gradually add 2s to your repetitions each week, so that by the second week, you are doing 12, in the third week, 14, and in the fourth week, 16. Exercise 4. Bird dogs. Get into a plank position, resting your knuckles on the ground and your forearms on the mat. Your knees should be bent and your arms should be out in front of you and below your shoulder line. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. With your right arm, pull it forward in front of you, and with your left leg, pull it backward behind you. Your left arm should thus lie parallel to the ground, and your right leg should also lie next to it. Keep the position for approximately 2 counts, and then lower the weights to the original position. Perform the same action for the left arm and the right leg. Keep performing this exercise until you are through with 20 sets. Where it can be seen that repetitions have been given, increase the position hold by 2 seconds every week. If you are holding for 2 seconds in the first week of this program, your hold should be twice that in week 2. That is, 4 seconds, 6 in week 3, and 8 in week 4. It will not be possible to achieve a flat stomach in a month at home, but it is possible if the workouts and diet are intense enough. As far as this program is concerned, you have to do it to the dint of it. No cheating. Whenever you feel down and disheartened, remind yourself that this is all for a good cause. This program is designed to be used together with an ideal fat diet plan of portion control taken in moderation. Before you know it, you will have the abs of your dreams without having to step into a gym. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video's content, remember to share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel if you still need to subscribe. To be notified of our new uploads, do the following. For new subscribers, you can click on the bell beside the subscription button. Attention, all active subscribers. Please enable all notifications.